Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna continue working on my 2013 Ford F350, and the plan for today's episode is to get this bed off of my truck and start do body work on it. So in order to do that, I need to move this convertible cap out of the way over here, and I'll back it up my truck to it, hook it up to dollies, and we'll raise it. Then I'll get my truck out. We'll lower it on the frame rack. I'm gonna slide it into garage so I can start do body work. I will start working with the body filler, and hopefully today I'm gonna be completely done with the body work on this bed, and also I'm gonna be able to prime it. Now let's just get this bed off of my truck real quick. Yesterday I wasn't able to finish it, but today I'll finish it, and also gonna go ahead and primer both sides completely. That way I can block it and be 100% sure that I didn't miss any small dings or dents, so this bed would come out flawless. Now let's just continue do body work on it.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games now. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games now. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games now. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games now.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want.
So guys, it is in day number 3. I still not finished with the bed. A little bit left over, mainly that side over there. But I couldn't finish it yesterday and couldn't prime it. The reason behind that, as you can see, where is it? Over there. I have a new vehicle that I got it from Copart and needs to be fixed. It's a 2018 Nissan NV 2500 or 250. I don't remember. Anyway, so I received that vehicle yesterday, then rain started. I had to get the truck back, so the electronics not get any water on them. And today I was at the dealership ordering parts for my GMC that I'm about to start to rebuild on the channel. And so on. I had to stop by a junkyard. So much happening this past few weeks. I had to run to dealers, junkyards, finding parts. You guys only see the Ford goes rebuild, but I already rebuilt 2 or 3 cars. I'm reselling it to have money to pay my bills. You know, that's why I had to go to junkyards and buy parts. And also I wanted to find out from you guys. Let me know in comment section if you want to see this Nissan in the channel. Explain you for how much I got it for, what year, how bad is it damaged, and it's probably gonna be 1 or 2, I think 2 or 3 episodes, because it's not that bad. It's only one side, few and door slightly, but it's not a whole lot things needs to be done on it, but needs to be done on it. Now, I'm gonna get the truck out again, so I don't get this dust inside, cause it's kinda clean. And basically I'm gonna start finish preparing this side. So that's what's left. This bundle's on top, and I missed a piece over here. So that's all, that's what I left. Then I'm gonna clean out the shop, garage, cover my tools and wipe out this dust and everything, so I can prime this thing. All right, let's continue do body work on this bed.
Playing games though.
The shop is cleaned up, the bed where it needs to be for a primer. Everything prepared. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll get the wax and grease remover, towels, wipe the bed off completely, and basically I'm ready to shoot the primer, and I'll start shooting the primer. 3 layers of thick coats should be plenty enough. Let's do that right quick, and I should be done with this bed completely for now. That's it, guys. I'm finally done with the bed. Oh man, oh man. Yes, I'm done. It's finally primed. Guy code is applied. Everything looking awesome. So there you go. You can even take a look. Oh, come on, focus. Everything looks good. Yeah, completely done. Took me a bit of time. It's okay. At least it's finally there. It's finally primed. Now I can let it sit while it's curing. I'll start doing some other things that needs to be done. I'm still waiting on the parts for the truck, like a mirror and window motor regulators. I don't know when they're gonna show up. It says should be here in a week or so. We'll see. My mirrors show up actually today. I don't know, maybe in a few days regulator will show up, but the second mirror and second regulator haven't shown up, and my glass, it's actually 2 side glasses are actually show up. I have to go pick them up. Thank you for stopping by on my channel. Like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you wanna send me something, PO box down below. So if you have something, don't hesitate, send it. I'll be happy to see what you got. And don't forget, follow me on Instagram at SalvageMasterV to see inside scoop there before YouTube. I usually post there every single day. What am I doing? Or some other rebuild that I do. I'm gonna just post it on Instagram. And actually, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if you wanna see all rebuilds that I do, or just the ones I choose, like a Ford or JMC. Cause I did some few other ones, the cheap ones, and I don't know if that's something you guys gonna be interesting to see it. Let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. I'll catch you next one.